Hi y'all, good morning. I want to quickly make a video showing you how to navigate the edX platform because it's been difficult to navigate. So if you click on this link here, let's see. So if you're already enrolled, which you are, just click View Course. And then making sure you're on the course tab at the top. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see an outline of the whole course. So for Thursday's lesson, you're doing the module on attachment. So you can start right away by clicking pre-quiz and learning goals, and that will take you through the whole module. For Monday's lesson, you'll be doing language development. So you'll be clicking on the next one down. So just remember, to navigate, you just want to be on the first page, and then you just scroll down, and that's where you can click on the different modules. Hope this is helpful.